to our Tuesday night going into Wednesday. So look from our Storm Tracker 6 radar. Most of the rain has actually moved closer towards the Smokies and closer towards that North Carolina-Tennessee border. We get a brief break here in the valley, but heavier showers are kind of occurring right now in Gatlinburg, Pigeon Forge, Little Cove, Canton, Pittman Center, and even seeing some heavy showers kind of in the southern valley near Tellico Plains, closer towards Sandy Lane, Belltown, and Acorn. Now, we are seeing this brief break, but another round of rain is on its way very quickly as we move on into our Wednesday morning. So far, totals have been quite impressive. I mean, most of this rain really didn't start until about 10 p.m. last night. So for the last 24 hours, we've seen about 1.25 inches, or close to 1.5 inches here in Knoxville, 1.25 inches here in Maryville, Loudoun, Tellico Plains, Athens, and 2 whole inches in southeast Kentucky and those Tennessee-Kentucky border counties. Now, again, we are expecting to see more rain moving through as we head towards later tonight. So let's take a look at our 6 predictor. As we get closer to midnight, that's when we start to see another line of showers and just torrential rain kind of moving on through. By 7 a.m., southeast Kentucky and the really far northern counties here in Tennessee get another break, but Southern Valley, portions of the Middle Valley, kind of closer towards Knox County, still expecting to see some rain. And most of it doesn't really get heavy until right around noon. Look at the yellows, look at the oranges. This is that torrential rain that we were warning about going into the rest of this week and for this initial system. And that's really what we'll be watching, especially for that flooding risk. And that's why we're weather aware. But here's some good news. Heading on into late tomorrow night, everything begins to wrap up and we're going to start to see briefly dry conditions. Now, that's not until after we see our totals. Our totals look to be about close to 2 to possibly 4 inches. 4 inches is the max that we're expecting. That's some locally heavy areas, but most of the rain is going to mainly kind of migrate towards the southern valley. You can see where the higher totals are compared to southeast Kentucky, and that's again because southeast Kentucky is expected to receive a bit of a break tomorrow morning. Now, this is not our last chance of seeing rain. Yes, we will be briefly dry by Thursday afternoon, going on into the full day Friday, which is Valentine's Day. Good news there. But by the time we reach Saturday and Sunday, another system is moving through, and this time it's bringing heavy rain with it once again, and this is going to tack on an additional 1 to 3 inches. So by the end of Sunday, adding up the rain we saw today and tomorrow, as well as the rain we're expecting on Saturday, we could see about 5 to 6 inches, maybe even more for some localized areas. So again, gonna have to watch out for that flooding. Remember, tomorrow we are weather aware because of that flooding risk, especially with that torrential rain moving through in the afternoon. Mainly early rain going into Thursday, dry by the afternoon. Friday, briefly drier all day, partially cloudy skies, and then heavy showers move in once again next Saturday. We'll continue to keep you updated, and we'll be right back.